Before diving into the technical details of building an app, it's crucial to define its purpose. What problem are you trying to solve and for whom? Let's say you want to create an app that helps people write better emails. Your target audience might be professionals who want to improve their communication skills. Understanding your app's purpose and target audience is essential for making informed decisions throughout the development process. It will guide your choice of platform, features, design, and even your marketing strategy. Take the time to clearly define your app's value proposition. This will be the foundation upon which you build a successful product. Once you have a clear understanding of your app's purpose, it's time to dive into the next crucial step. You need to decide which platform to build it on. This decision can significantly impact your app's success and reach. Will it be a web app, an iOS app, or an Android app? Each option comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. Web apps are accessible from any device with a web browser, making them highly versatile. They're often easier and faster to develop and can reach a wide audience without the need for App Store approvals. iOS apps are known for their sleek design and user-friendly interface, but they only work on Apple devices. This can limit your audience, but also ensures a consistent user experience across all devices. Android apps, on the other hand, have a larger global market share but can sometimes suffer from fragmentation issues. This means your app needs to be compatible with a wide range of devices and screen sizes, which can be challenging. Consider your target audience, budget, and technical expertise when making this decision. If your audience primarily uses Apple devices, an iOS app might be the best choice. If you want to reach a global audience, Android could be more suitable. If you're unsure, starting with a web app can be a good option as it offers the most flexibility. You can later decide to develop native apps for iOS or Android based on user feedback and market demand. Ultimately, the right platform for your app depends on your specific goals and resources. Take the time to evaluate each option carefully, and you'll be well on your way to creating a successful app. Now that you've chosen your platform, it's time to set up your development environment. This involves installing the necessary software and tools for building your app. For web apps, you'll need a code editor like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text, a web browser like Chrome or Firefox, and a local development server. For iOS apps, you'll need Xcode, Apple's integrated development environment, and a Mac computer. Android app development requires Android Studio and the Java Development Kit, or JDK. Familiarize yourself with the tools for your chosen platform. There are plenty of online resources and tutorials to help you get started. Section 4. ChatGPT under the hood, integrating the API. In this section, we will delve into the fascinating process of integrating ChatGPT's powerful language processing capabilities into your application. This integration can significantly enhance the interactivity and intelligence of your app, making it more engaging for users. One of the most exciting aspects of building with ChatGPT is integrating its language processing capabilities into your app. This allows your application to understand and generate human-like text, opening up a world of possibilities for user interaction and automation. To do this, you'll need to use the OpenAI API, which stands for Application Programming Interface. The API serves as a bridge between your application and ChatGPT, enabling seamless communication and data exchange. By leveraging the API, you can send text prompts to ChatGPT and receive contextually relevant responses. The API allows your app to communicate with ChatGPT, sending text prompts and receiving generated responses. This interaction is crucial for creating dynamic and responsive applications that can cater to user needs in real time. The API handles the heavy lifting of language processing, so you can focus on building the best user experience. You'll need to sign up for an API key from OpenAI to get started. This key is essential as it authenticates your app and grants it access to the powerful features of ChatGPT. The sign-up process is straightforward, and once you have your key, you're ready to integrate. Once you have your key, you can use it to make API calls from your app's code. This involves embedding the API key into your code, which allows your application to authenticate and interact with ChatGPT. Properly managing and securing your API key is crucial to ensure the integrity and security of your application. Let's look at a simple example in Python. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language, making it an excellent choice for integrating the OpenAI API. In this example, we'll demonstrate how to set up and use the API to generate responses from ChatGPT. Python import OpenAI API key =, your underscore API underscore key def generate response prompt, response OpenAI completion create engine =, text DaVinci 003, prompt prompt max underscore tokens =, 50, return response choices 0, text hash example usage. This code snippet initializes the OpenAI API with your API key and defines a function to generate responses based on user prompts. User underscore input =, hello, how are you? AI underscore response =, generate underscore response, user underscore input print, AI response. In this example, we send a simple greeting to ChatGPT and print the response. This demonstrates the basic functionality of the API and how it can be used to create interactive applications. This code snippet demonstrates how to use the OpenAI API to send a text prompt to ChatGPT and receive a generated response. By integrating this functionality into your app, you can create more engaging and intelligent user experiences. The possibilities are endless, from chatbots and virtual assistants to content generation and beyond. With the OpenAI API, you have the tools to bring your innovative ideas to life. Section 5. Designing your app's user interface. First impressions matter. The user interface, or UI, is the first thing your users will see and interact with, so it's crucial to make it intuitive and visually appealing. This initial interaction sets the tone for the entire user experience. If users find your app difficult to navigate or visually unappealing, they are likely to abandon it quickly. Therefore, investing time and effort into designing a user-friendly and attractive UI is essential for the success of your app. Start by creating wireframes, which are rough sketches of your app's screens and how they connect. Wireframes serve as the blueprint for your app, allowing you to map out the structure and flow of each screen. They help you organize content and functionality in a logical manner, ensuring that users can easily find what they need. Additionally, wireframes provide a visual representation of the user journey, highlighting key interactions and transitions between screens. Wireframes help you visualize the user flow and identify potential usability issues early on. By reviewing wireframes with your team, you can gather valuable feedback and make necessary adjustments before moving on to the detailed design phase. This collaborative process ensures that everyone is on the same page and that the final product meets the needs and expectations of your target audience. Once you're happy with the wireframes, you can move on to designing the UI in more detail. This involves creating high-fidelity mock-ups that showcase the visual design elements, such as colors, typography, and imagery. At this stage, it's important to consider the overall aesthetic of your app and how it aligns with your brand identity. A cohesive and visually appealing design can make a significant impact on user perception and engagement. Consider using UI/UX design principles to create an interface that is both aesthetically pleasing and easy to use. These principles include consistency, simplicity, and feedback. Consistency ensures that similar elements behave in predictable ways, making it easier for users to learn and navigate your app. Simplicity focuses on reducing clutter and presenting information in a clear and concise manner. Feedback provides users with immediate responses to their actions, enhancing their sense of control and satisfaction. Pay attention to color schemes, typography, and the overall layout of your app screens. Colors can evoke emotions and influence user behavior, so choose a palette that reflects your brand and creates a positive user experience. Typography plays a crucial role in readability and hierarchy, guiding users through the content and helping them understand the importance of different elements. The layout should be intuitive and organized, allowing users to easily navigate and interact with your app. A well-designed UI can significantly enhance the user experience. It can make your app more enjoyable to use, increase user satisfaction, and ultimately lead to higher retention rates. By prioritizing the design of your app's user interface, you can create a positive first impression that encourages users to engage with your app and explore its features. Remember, first impressions matter, and a thoughtfully designed UI can make all the difference. Section 6. From wireframes to working code, building core features. With your UI design in place, it's time to start building the core features of your app. This is where your coding skills come in. Break down the app's functionality into smaller, manageable tasks. For example, if you're building a chat app, core features might include user authentication, allowing users to create accounts and log in. Chat interface, displaying messages from different users in a clear and organized manner. Real-time updates, ensuring that new messages appear instantly without requiring manual refreshes. Sending and receiving messages, handling user input and sending it to ChatGPT for processing. Implement these features one by one, testing thoroughly as you go.